In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail to email invoices through QuickBooks Online. This will streamline your invoicing process and make sure all your billing communications are organized and professional. Let's dive right in. First, once you're logged into QuickBooks Online, head to the top left corner of your dashboard and click on the New button. This is where you'll kickstart the process by creating a new invoice. Selecting Invoice will bring you to a fresh invoice template, ready for you to fill in with all the necessary details. Make sure you include accurate information such as the customer's email, the items or services provided, the quantities, pricing, and any due dates. Pay close attention to detail here, as errors can cause confusion or delays in payment. After you've completed all the necessary fields in the invoice, it's time to move forward by clicking Review and Send. This will give you a chance to double-check your work. Consider this as your quality control step, ensuring everything looks perfect before it reaches your client's inbox. Next, focus on the From drop-down menu. You'll find the option to change the email address that will send out this invoice email, allowing you to keep your communications consistent and professional. For those who want to utilize a Gmail account, this is where you can add that option. Simply choose Add Gmail Address. This selection will reveal a button labeled Connect Google Account. Clicking this button will initiate the connection process between QuickBooks Online and your Gmail account. Follow the prompts to link your Google account securely. Once you've connected your Google account, you'll be able to select the specific Gmail address you'd like to use to send the invoice email. This step is crucial if you want your emails to come from a standalone business account rather than a personal one, maintaining a professional image for your business transactions. And there you have it. That's all it takes to set up Gmail to email invoices directly through QuickBooks Online. This integration not only saves time, but also enhances your workflow efficiency by centralizing your business communications. As always, ensure your Gmail account settings are aligned with your business needs, such as having a recognizable and consistent email signature. Remember, keeping your invoicing process smooth and professional is a critical aspect of efficient business operations. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you're setting up a different email account or making changes to your current setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in enhancing your QuickBooks Online experience.